Just a quick reminder, get out on your motorcycles, stop procrastinating and get out there. You're going to thank me for it later. Hey hero. The motorcycle's lovely and warm. I've upped my game since the last video I did, where I made it a real mess. So although this funnel's a little bit damaged, it should allow more oil through. Alex, don't make a mess of this. I do love it when tubers go, you've got to undo this to let the air in. Yeah. It's going to be nice and hot, this oil, isn't it? Here we go. Well done, Alex. Alright, less messy than last time, I learned. And that is why at 1500 miles you do oil changes on these old bikes. Right, let's cap it back up. Lefty loosey. And let's avoid those hot exhausts, shall we? Looks nice, doesn't it? So the reason we drain oil with hot engines, it's not going to hurt the engine, it just makes the oil thinner, makes it flow better. Just going to let it drip some oil out for a second. Some serious heat here, so if I look like I'm flim-flamming about, it's because this is so hot. So this filter was installed in a previous video. It was lovely and bright red. I'll make sure I replace the O-ring on in here. What an absolute sod of an O-ring this one is. Really don't want to come out. The only tip I've got is old O-rings, I put them in the oil bucket just in case. I'm working here and then I drop it and I'll be like, oh, I wonder which is which. There's the new one on. I'm sure it'll be a right royal pain to remove when the time comes. And then here's the new beautifully clean filter. So I just put the O-ring on the outer assembly. These HF O-rings aren't anything like the factory ones. They're alright, but they have to fit on a multitude of different bikes. So you just got to watch it doesn't pop out. I've made sure the face of the engine is clean. And it catches really easily. I don't know how Honda do this, but their engineering back in the day was second to none. As far as how tight do you want it, I usually just give it a little nip and the job should be good. Set your 17 for righty tighty and then just nip it up. Get on it. Fine. I'm just going to spray some brake cleaner around this housing just to catch any residuals that might have dropped out, and then the stump bung. What I don't want to do is just overfill it so it's crazy, but you can see I'm dipping it in. It's very, very full. So I've stopped at 3 litres. Just cap it off. Let's get the motorcycle started so we can get some oil moving. Put these under the bike just to see. I mean, I'll reuse them for something else, but I just wanted to see if there's any drips. Just let everything settle for 2 seconds and then we'll check the level in the tank. That says it's reading full. And at this point, I'm inclined to run the motorcycle for a little bit longer. As far as how long should you run the bike, that's up to you. What I do is I've got the fuel on, bike's running, I turn the fuel off and I let it use whatever's in the floats. And then when it dies, I assume that's plenty enough time. So it's lovely and warm. And if we dip it, we're full. And that's the CB750 oil changed. This is one in a series of videos where I've done a 1,500 mile service on my CB750. So if you think I deserve it, feel free to leave me a like. Share me on your socials so that other people can see this motorcycle living its best life. Thank you all for watching.